Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you creative ideas of transforming your bedroom into a cozy and stylish sanctuary. In today's video, we will be sharing 5 inspiring bedroom decor ideas that will help you create the perfect retreat for relaxations or indigestions. So let's get started. Ideas number 1. Screen minimalism. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and adopting a minimalist approach to your bedroom decor. Opt for clean lines, natural color palette, and gorgeous tree spaces. Choose essential furniture spaces that serve both functional and aesthetical purposes. Keep the room uncluttered and use clever storage solutions to maintain a serene and triangular atmosphere. Ideas number 2. Bohemian chics. Infuse your bohemian color by incorporating vibrant colors in decorate patterns and a mix of textures. Tapestries, rose flowers, and rugs with bold printed. Incorporating natural elements such as resin or macrame to create a relaxing and reflective vibe. Do not forget to include cozy staining areas and soft lighting to complete the whole look. Ideas number 3. A coaster scarf. Create a beach inspired refresh your bedroom with a coaster decor theme. Choose a color palette inspired by the ocean such as soft blues, sandy neutral, and soft blues. Crisp white incorporations and natural materials like writing and and nautical essence like seashells, drop, and jars for a touch of seaside charm. Complete the look with breezy curtains and light and rebedding. Glamorous elegance. Elevate your bedroom with a touch of glamorous and sophisticated. Opt for luxurious fabrics such as velvet, earth silk, and rich colors like deep purples material tones. Incorporating statements like fruited headboards or glamorous chandelier. Add touches of opulence with decorative mirror, plush rugs, and elegant artwork. Do not forget to incorporate soft lighting for a truly glamorous ambience. Natural Lean. Create a triangular engine inspired retreat with a focus on natural element and calming color scheme. Choose earthy tones like rainy browns and muted naturals. Use natural materials such as bamboo wood and stones of bring sense of serenity. Add indoor plants for a touch of freshness and incorporate soothing elements like a water feature or a meditation's corner to enhance